In this video I'll show you how to create a simple POS system. Let's start now. So here is the interface, and in the table I have 6 columns: book ID, title, author, category, price, picture. There are two types of category, IT and HR. So all the images are saved in the book folder. So this is the grid view. So it will here I used grid view to display all the available books in the database. The selected books display in the second data grid. And here I have 3 command buttons. One is to list all the books, and one is to list only IT books, and the last one to display HR books. Because in my table I have two types of category, one is IT and HR. Then here we have discount, subtotal, and number of selected items. Name the controls. Customer ID, this is cash, change, this is all underscore btn, IT underscore btn. Then next one is HR underscore btn, and discount, subtotal, tax, then total. So the name of the grid is, one is list item, so I will name here L item. Then second one is selected item, I will name this S item. There are two grid views. So first here I want to list all the books, so I will apply event on all button. So here I'm creating the user defined method, load data. I want to fetch all the records from the table book. So I will call the class connect, and the name of the object connect equals new connect. Connect is the name of the class. So you have to first create this class and put the connection here. And the name of the method is set connection. So query, so this is all. So I will name the variable all underscore query, then select asterisk from name of the table. So my name of the table is book, then use SQL command, Make sure that you have imported the package. So here we'll be applying data binding concept. So I will explain how to do that. So here I will create a new class. Not WPF, create a new class. Select class, and here I'm the name of the class I will enter book data. Then total I have 6 columns in the table. So in the class I'll be creating 6 variables. So I'm so first one is book ID. So I'm using the data type here string, get and set. Second one is title. So I will create 3 variables because I have I will create 6 variables because I have total 6 columns in my table. Now use variable b data means here book data equals new book data because all the variables are in book data class. So I'm going to save the values in the variables. The first variable is book ID. So just you can copy paste equals. Okay, I'll copy paste all the variables. Book ID equals dia. Then in the table, book ID is in the first column, so put here 0 because index starts from 0. Don't use semicolon here. Instead of semicolon, use comma. Now we want to display all the values in the grid view. So the name of the grid view is litem.items.add. So within bracket type b data. Put these statements in while loop so that we can fetch all the values, all the records from the table. Now apply binding to display record. So go to the design. So this is the name of the grid. Now remove this forward slash and next line close the tag. Now in the data grid open the tag data grid dot columns, then data grid text column, and use the property here header equal. So first one is here book ID, or I will put here image. Second one is title, and third one price. So in my table I have total 6 columns, but in the grid view I will show only these 3 columns. And also I will add here category. Okay, now there are 4 columns. So there are 4 columns. Now apply binding here. The next property binding equals within curly bracket binding, and copy paste from the book data. So now when you click on the button again, you get the duplicate records. Let me show you how to remove the duplicate. Just use the command list name of the list dot items dot clear. Okay, next we'll see how to view specific books like only IT books or HR books. So there are two categories, one is IT and HR. Select the button, apply event. So I want to call the user defined method is load data. So now here we want to pass function with parameter because each category has unique value. So pass function with parameter. So in the load data within double quotation type IT. So the name of the category, first category is IT and the second one is HR. By default, the category value is all. The default value is all. So here I will use the if condition to check whether user clicked on the all or IT. So if cat equals IT, if it's sorry all. So if it's all means we have to execute select hashtag from book. If user wants to execute only the specific books, then here we want to use where keyword. Where name of the column is book ID, sorry category equal. So category is string format, so single double plus plus double single. Now let's see how to get the selected book. So select the data grid, go to properties. Now click on the event handler. Now select the name of the event is selected cells changed. Selected cell changed. Now display the selected value in the second data grid. So I will display only these two columns in S item. S item is the name of the data grid. Now apply binding. Now here we will add a remove button so that we can easily remove a book from the grid view. So here we want to add a comment button. So use template here. Instead of text column, use template. name of the button, and the content that you want to display on the button, then the name of the method. Apply here, click event. So to remove row, so name of the data grid is item dot items dot remove at. Use the method, predefined method is remove at. You want to remove the selected index, so s item dot type here selected index. So next we'll see how to display here subtotal. So first read the value from the text box. This is the text box. The name of the text box is subtotal. So in variable subtotal equals, read the value, so convert that string value into integer. Name of the text box is subtotal, then put dot text, then int price equals. So price value, get it from the class. So name of the class is book data and the name of the variable is price. Now calculate and display the result in subtotal. Subtotal is name of the text box. Finally, convert the result into string format and display it in the text box. Okay, now your task is to okay, now here we want to display the number of selected items. Let me also show you how to do that. So in constructor, the name of the label is item count. Yeah, item count dot content equals within double quotation. So you want to count number of items in the selected data grid. So you use the name of the data grid dot items dot count. Also copy this and put in the L item selected cell changed. Also copy paste in remove method. So now your task is to find total. I hope you will do this. If you have any questions, we can discuss in our tutorial. Thank you.